So welcome to the video. आज का टॉपिक है कैन यू लूज बेली फैट इन जस्ट 21 days. Let's discuss. सो लूज बेली फैट सीरीज में लास्ट 2 वीडियोस में मैंने दिखाया था कि मैंने कितना ट्रांसफॉर्म किया इन 14 days एंड इन दिस पर्टिकुलर वीडियो आई एम गोना शो यू कि मैं कितना ट्रांसफॉर्म कर चुका हूँ आफ्टर 21 days. So I started my transformation on 12th July and this is the final result after 21 days. Drastic result आया मेरे को 21 days के बाद and you can see through my transformation I have more definition right now on my muscles and also मैंने belly fat lose किया and overall body fat after 21 days. So मैंने अपनी पूरी जर्नी को डॉक्यूमेंट किया था फ्रॉम डे 1 टू डे 21 एग्जैक्टली मैंने क्या खाया था, कैसे वर्कआउट्स किए थे. सारी जो जर्नी है वो इंस्टाग्राम पेज पे है, लिंक इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन. Today I'm going to show you the workout which will help you to lose weight faster and improve your stamina overall. And also if you think you can lose belly fat in just 21 days, watch this video till the end. So let's start the workout. इसमें protocol follow करेंगे 40 seconds of work, 20 seconds of rest. First exercise is plank jack. करना कैसे exactly? इस position में आएंगे like this. 1 and then 2. Okay? So 40 seconds of plank jack. Let's do it. Chest high up. 1 and then 2, 3. Very good. Keep moving. For the easy modification, follow the small screen. Very good. Chest high up. Half done. 20 more seconds to go. Keep moving. Three, 2 and 1. So yeah, that's your first exercise. Motive था इसमें legs को move कराने का, lower body exercise थी. And also challenge your core as well. Next one is oblique twist. So करना कैसे exactly? इस position में आएंगे like this. Chest high up. 1 and then 2. Okay. So let's do it. 20 seconds में समझा रहा हूँ exercise का form. 40 seconds में apply करेंगे. Chest high up. Inhale. So when you inhale, exhale. When you squeeze, exhale. Keep moving. Half done. 20 more seconds to go. Perfect. Exhale. And inhale. Don't hold your breath. Keep moving. Last one and done. That's your second exercise, specifically target your oblique area, okay? So great overall core exercise as well. Third one is my favorite, half burpee and squat jump. So करना कैसे exactly? पहले form समझेंगे and then apply करेंगे. Okay? So like this, over here, 1 and then squat jump, okay? So 1 and then 2. Let's do it. This is gonna kill your calories like hell. So burn your calories through this exercise. Third exercise, keep moving. 2, 1 and then 2. For the easy modification, follow the small screen. Just don't stop. Half done, keep moving. Inhale and exhale. Just make sure to land softly. Total. Keep your foot stability throughout the exercise. That's a killer one. Third exercise. You can see I'm getting out of breath, but that's the motive of this overall workout. Fourth one is side plank and rotation. थोड़ा इसमें ध्यान रखेंगे. वो एक्सरसाइज करेंगे तो इसमें मेन टारगेट हमें इस एरिया को करना है. फॉर्म बहुत मैटर करती है इसमें. चेस्ट हाई अप, डोंट स्लाउच. चेस्ट हाई अप लाइक दिस, होल्ड ओवर हियर एंड देन 1. सो इनहेल एंड देन 2. मेक श्योर कि आप ऐसे नहीं करेंगे, अदरवाइज गोना कॉज द पेन इन योर शोल्डर. लेट्स डू इट. 20 सेकेंड ईच साइड. इनहेल. 1. वेरी गुड. Last 3, Last 2. And I'm gonna change the side. 20 more seconds over here. Let's do it. That's your side plank. Target specifically your oblique area. Okay. Now T raise rotation. हमने ओवरऑल बॉडी को हिट किया है. थ्रू दिस एक्सरसाइज हम टारगेट करेंगे लोअर बैक. ओके. सो करने कैसे एग्जैक्टली पहले फॉर्म समझेंगे, देन अप्लाई करेंगे. सो lie down on your stomach like this. Okay. Hands over here and like this. Okay. So let's do it. 40 seconds of T raise. Inhale and exhale. This is gonna improve your posture as well. So keep moving. This looks really simple, but अगर आप effectively core को engage करेंगे and glutes को tight रखेंगे like this, and then squeeze. So that's your lower back, overall back exercise, because इसमें आप target कर रहे थे, upper back, lower back as well. So motive ये था कि आप, full back को target कर रहे हैं through this exercise. The next one is for your quads, जिसमें हम target करेंगे quads को, hamstring को through jumping lunges. If you have knee pain or you feel uncomfortable, make sure to follow the small sprint. करने कैसे exactly? This positioning like this, and then 1, and then 2. Okay. Make sure to keep your foot stable throughout the exercise. Give me 40 seconds of jumping lunges. Okay. Keep your foot stable, chest high up, don't slouch. Inhale and exhale. Very good. Keep moving. Half done. That's a killer one. ये पूरा आपका टारगेट करेगा लोअर बॉडी को, स्पेसिफिकली quads, hamstring. Great overall lower body exercise. Next one is for the backs. हमने टारगेट किया लोअर बॉडी को, glutes को, back को. Now chest area through wide push-ups. करेंगे इसे exactly. This positioning like this. Chest high up, full down, and then up. Squeeze. Okay. So inhale when you go down. Exhale when you squeeze. Inhale. Try to go slow, feel the muscle, and squeeze. So when you go slow, when you do the negative sets, हम सिर्फ negative बोलते हैं because when you go down slow and you then push through the backs. Good exercise overall. Wide push-ups. Last one है, and this is your round one. Okay, so make sure कि आप इस exercise तक रुकेंगे और उसके बाद समझेंगे कैसे मैंने belly fat lose किया in 21 days. So last one, high knees. Overall full fat burner exercise. 40 seconds करेंगे. Let's do it. Just higher and like this. Okay. If you want easy modifications, just follow the normal march and keep moving. Keep moving. Half done. 20 more seconds to go. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. That's your round 1. हमने की 8 exercises, great killer overall body weight exercise. You can see I'm getting out of breath. That's the motive of overall body weight workout. Round 1, if you want more of this workout, at least do 2 more rounds of this. So now the question is, can you lose belly fat? The answer is yes. You can see through my transformation, मैंने belly fat भी lose किया, overall body fat भी lose किया. But the main question is, can you specifically target belly fat, stomach fat, face fat, chest fat? The answer is no. If you lose overall body fat, you lose belly fat. You can't specifically target the area जहाँ से आपको lose करने हैं. So just make sure कि आप ये गलती ना कर रहे हो. But the main thing is, results gonna vary person to person based on right techniques of workout, knowledge, and also muscle memory. The motive is to be better version of yourself in just 21 days. So that's why I've launched a brand new 21-day flat belly kickstarter program. Slots reopen हो चुके हैं, September में start हो रहा है. Link in the description. So in this program, you will get live session from me personally and also real-time workout videos of 30 to 40 minutes long. So let's start a transformation.